Hey, what's going on, everyone? It's Jono here from jono-amazon.com. Welcome to the Breakout Code 2.0 review. Now, I'm here inside the members area of the Breakout Code 2.0, and during this video, I'm going to give you a full demo and a run through of exactly what is inside of here and talk to you about how this can help you. So in a nutshell, the Breakout Code 2.0 is the updated version of the Breakout Code, which launched last year. Now, the Breakout Code is a course that's been put together by a guy called James Fawcett and also Mark Barrett. Now, James Fawcett has only just started affiliate marketing last year, okay, in 2020. And throughout the year, he's gone from here to here very, very quickly. And he's become, in fact, last month in December, he became the #1 affiliate on Warrior Plus. And it's unprecedented, the growth that he's had. Now, this is all down to the method that he's breaking down inside of the Breakout Code 2.0. And it's all about building up your email list using what's called solo ads. Now, solo ads is probably the easiest way to get traffic, and it works by you approaching some of these vendors. They're called vendors, and they have huge email lists. Okay, we're talking email lists of like 200 to 300,000 subscribers, and you go and approach these vendors and you say, hey, I want to buy 1,000 subscribers from you. And then they'll send out an email to their email list of 200 to 300,000 people, and they'll send those subscribers to your email list. Okay, it is super, super simple. But there's some things that you need to know about when you start doing this, because personally, I've never had much success using these solo ads, but I never really gave it much of a chance. But James Fawcett, on the other hand, has simply crushed it using solo ads. And like I said, he's gone from here to #1 affiliate on Warrior Plus within the space of like 9 months. And he's not making any review videos, he's not putting his face on camera, he's not doing any of the regular stuff, yet he's still able to crush it and remain pretty much anonymous. So, super good course, and I've also put together a super, super cool bonus package for you guys if you're interested in picking this up via the link down below in the description of this YouTube video if you're watching on YouTube. If you click on that link, it's going to bring you through to this page, which is my bonus page right here. And the Breakout Code 2.0 is going to be going live tomorrow. Well, it's the 8th of January. It's going to be going live on the 8th of January at 9 AM Eastern Standard Time. So as of that time, you'll be able to scroll down and click on any of these orange buttons on my bonus page here. That will bring you through to the sales page. It's going to look something like this, so you can go ahead and pick this up. Now, you'll need to pick it up before the countdown timer runs out on my bonus page here if you want to qualify for the following bonuses. Now, all of these bonuses have been created by myself. They're all exclusive to me, and you're not going to find these bonuses anywhere else. So stay tuned, because I know there's a lot of other affiliates that are going to be offering bonuses as well for this product, but I've got by far the best bonus package out of everybody. So if you want to pick up these bonuses, you need to pick this up via my link. So if you're watching on YouTube, it's down below in the description. If you come through from my email, you'll already be on my bonus page, so no need to worry about that. Okay, so bonus #1, I'm going to give you access to a secret Rolodex of top converting traffic vendors. This is a Rolodex of like 20 to 30 people that James has given to me, okay, and nobody else has this. Okay, nobody else has this. This is a collection of all of the best people to buy this traffic from, that he's been buying from, the exact same list that he's been buying from in 2020, and it's been getting him all of these awesome results and has slingshot him to being the #1 affiliate on Warrior Plus. He's used this exact list of vendors, and I'm giving this to you completely free of charge when you pick up Breakout Code via my bonus page, right? So this is my epic bonus, and you'll be foolish. Honestly, you'll be foolish if you don't pick this up from me, because you get access to the #1 hack to make this work. If you don't pick this up from me, you're going to have to go and research these vendors one by one and spend money on them, and they might not work, okay, because there's literally hundreds of vendors to choose from. Now, I've nailed it well. I've got from James the nailed down version that he's tested, and he's got good results from this list of vendors. So you'll need to pick this up from me if you want this. Okay. Bonus number 2, I'm going to give you access to the best solo ads course of all time. This was released a few years ago, but it's still 100% relevant right now. And this is going to give you some additional training on using solo ads. This is a full course that you're going to get access to here, which is going to give you some additional training on how another person runs these solo ads. Okay, bonus number 3, I'm going to show you how you can maximize your solo ad traffic using retargeting. This is something that I don't think James even talks about, but you'd be foolish. You'd be leaving so much money on the table if you are not pixeling your landing pages and then retargeting people back to that landing page using retargeting. This is going to save you ultimately, it's going to make you ultimately so much more money, because if you don't do this, you're leaving that money on the table, literally. Okay, bonus number 4, excuse me, I'm going to give you access to my all-in-one email software. This includes an autoresponder, it includes a squeeze page builder, and it includes an email toolbox where you can put timers, buttons, and videos inside of your email. Okay, if you don't pick this up via me, you're going to have to go and buy your own autoresponder, which is going to cost you money. You're going to have to buy your own landing page creator, which I think James is actually using ClickFunnels to do this, which is at least $97 a month. You can bypass all of those costs by picking this up from me and getting hold of this all-in-one email software suite, which includes a landing page creator, and it includes an email toolbox as well, and an autoresponder, which you won't have to pay for. Okay, bonus number 5, I'm going to give you access to the following bonuses that the vendor has given to me to give to you. So you're going to get boost your online sales, you're going to get Facebook ads, you're going to get buy, click, Rolodex, you're also going to get 30 ways to get free traffic, the affiliate marketing blueprint, list building expert, the newbie's guide to internet success, double your traffic, Phoenix, Breakout Code 1.0. So you're going to get all of those from the vendor, including all of my custom bonuses. Now, all you need to do to pick all of these bonuses up is simply click on the link down below in the description of this YouTube video. If you're watching on YouTube, come through to my bonus page here, which you may already be on. If you come through from my email, that's fine. Scroll down, click on any of these orange buttons. As of 9 AM Eastern Standard Time on the 8th of January, that will bring you through to the sales page. It's going to look like this. So you can go ahead and pick this up. As soon as you picked it up, you simply need to go through to your Warrior Plus account. The top right hand side, you're going to see your username. Click on purchase history, click on Breakout Code 2.0, and that will bring you through to your receipt, which will look something like this one right here, where you'll find a blue button on that receipt page that says Access Affiliate Bonus. When you click on that blue button, you'll get instant free access to every single one of these bonuses, these custom bonuses you're not going to find anywhere else, completely free of charge and instantly delivered to you, even if you just pick up the front end of Breakout Code 2.0, which is only going to be $12.95. Okay, so let's go and have a look at this sales page, and it says still struggling online without nothing to show for it. One click equals a blast of $1,432 straight into our accounts. Now, by one click, they mean one click of the send button on your autoresponder that blasts it out to all of these new subscribers that you've got from solo ads, and that will result in, well, for them, $1,432. Okay, and this even comes with a case study, which you need to go and watch here. Okay, new case study and training reveals the little-known breakout hack that's making James $58,000 monthly and how you can replicate it in 20 minutes. No expensive methods, no experience needed, no BS. So check out this sales page in your own time. There's a ton of income proof to back this up, which comes straight out of James's account. And you can see he's making a lot of money from doing this exact method without having to make review videos, without having to do any of the regular stuff. He's just buying this traffic from these vendors and sending it to other people's offers. So pretty awesome. Anyway, check this out in your own time. I'm going to jump into the members area now and show you around. So it looks like this. You got the welcome video. You've then got the $352,000 breakout case study. Okay, and this is what managed to get James from zero to $352,000 in 2020 and blast him to be the #1 affiliate on Warrior Plus. So Affiliate Breakout 2.0 is all about using other people's offers. So you got some mindset training here. You've got how to find hot products to promote. And with this, it means you don't need to go after launches. You can actually go after products that have done well in the past on Warrior Plus and JVZoo and ClickBank, and you can use these products to make money from. How to get approved to promote these hot products. He's going to go through how to do that because this is something that a lot of newbies struggle with. And then a recommended products to promote. He's even going to give you a bunch of products that have done well for him. So Breakout Funnels 2.0, this is where we get into the funnels section of it. He's going to show you how to create these funnels from scratch, your landing pages and all the bridge pages and stuff like that. How to build an opt-in in ClickFunnels. So he's recommended that you use ClickFunnels, which is completely fine. If you have ClickFunnels or if you want to spend $97 a month on ClickFunnels, that's completely fine. But remember, in my bonuses, inside of bonus number 4, I'm giving you access to a funnel creator that you can use that is pretty similar to ClickFunnels. You can do all the stuff inside of this funnel creator completely for free instead of spending $97 on ClickFunnels, right? How to build your thank you page in ClickFunnels. Again, you can do that using the software that I'm giving to you. How to set up an exit intent. Okay, this is something that is new to Breakout Funnels 2.0. They didn't have this exit intent pop up inside of Breakout Funnels 1.0. They didn't have it inside of there. Also, connecting your autoresponder is going to show you how to do that. And then we get into the emails. So Breakout Emails 101. This is getting into the email marketing, how to write follow-up sequences that are going to turn those new subscribers into money. How to send cash on-demand blasts, this is basically newsletters, HTML emails, and then list segmentation. This is all important stuff if you're going to be doing with the solo ad traffic, right? And then you got breakout traffic. So you need to create all of these things first, and then you got breakout traffic. So tracking your traffic and conversions using tracking software. How to scale solo ads effectively. This is really important because this is something that most people get wrong, and then they don't end up making any money from solo ads. Targeted buyer leads on demand, and then you get a bonus of a Facebook group of surefire leads that you can use. And then you've also got all these bonus resources as well. So license rights. And I think these are actually the upsells, right? Oh no, they're not. Okay, the upgrades are down here, and then you can access support. So all of this for just $12.95. And remember, for that $12.95, you're also getting access to all these bonuses completely free of charge that I'm including in my bonus package, and especially this first one, which is a whole Rolodex of top converting traffic that you can use, right? So front end is going to be $12.95, and then you've got the upgrades. First upgrade is going to be $37. There's actually a downsell on this at $27, and this is going to be getting this to work around the clock on complete autopilot, reliably and consistently day after day, takes an army of secret weapons to help unlock real profits. Here we have included the exact swipes we use to generate sales daily, week after week. So these are going to be email swipes that you can simply copy and paste without having to write these emails on your own. Okay, so that's going to be $27 at the downsell price. Upsell number 2 is the done for you package. This is going to be $197, but you can save yourself $100 by picking this up at the downsell price of $97. And this upgrade provides 10 of our best battle-tested funnels that convert visitors into cash immediately, and it's worth its weight in gold. So you can get all the landing pages, all the thank you pages, all the templates included in this done for you package, so you don't have to go out there and create them on your own, which can be hugely frustrating, right? Upsell number 3 is the Breakout Inner Circle Profits Club. This is going to be $67, or it's going to be $7 for the first 14-day trial, and then it'll rebill at, I don't know how much it's going to rebill out, but anyway, this entails everything you need to maximize profits inside our Facebook community. Weekly calls and training sessions providing huge value to boosting your campaigns. This upgrade will allow you to leverage any affiliate product offer and increase your profits 10x. So this is going to be a private Facebook group that you can access, and if you're really serious about this, this is definitely going to be the place where you want to be. Okay, upsell number 4 is called the Little Black Book 2.0. This is going to be $47 with a downsell at $27. And this is going to be a secret list of traffic sources all bundled into one place. Well, I've pretty much done that for you inside of my first bonus, which you're getting for free. So you can skip this OTO altogether. Upsell number 5 is unlimited traffic. This is going to be $197 with a downsell at $97. This will allow you to put your pixel on these guys' sales pages and take advantage of the huge amount of traffic that their sales pages get. And you can build up a virtual list of buyers by doing that. Okay, and then finally, upsell number 6 is license rights. It's going to be $97 with a downsell at $67, and this will allow you to sell Breakout Code 2.0 as if it is your own product. And you'll also get 7 additional offers that these guys have created as well for that license rights bundle. So this is a bundle of different license rights where you'll get set to 100% commissions, and you can really cash in from these products that these guys have made. So you don't even need to make any products, yet you get to make 100% commissions from these products. And you can send your traffic to these products, and instead of making 50%, you can now double your money by making 100% just by buying that license rights and using that as the offer that you're going to be sending this solo ad traffic to. I hope that makes sense. Anyway, that kind of brings this video to an end. Don't forget to check out my bonuses. These are super powerful. I can't tell you how powerful these are, really, but don't miss out on them. Seriously, don't miss out on them. These are all yours 100% free of charge when you pick up Breakout Code 2.0 via my link. And that brings me to the end of this video, so thank you so much for watching my Breakout Code 2.0 review, and I'll speak to you on the next one. All the best, take care, bye.